Hi, it's Mr. Benson here with a short video on adding a negative number. So this is just an example of the kind of thing you could do for your holiday homework. Now you don't have to make a video, but hopefully you'll get the idea of what I want you to do. So I'm choosing one idea from the topic. I'm going to explain how you do it. Now my explanation is the way I understand it, your explanation is the way you understand it, and that's fine. You might use the number line, you might not, whatever, doesn't matter. So, moving on, adding a negative number. So the first thing, I'm saying what the idea is that we are looking at. So, for example, how do I add the following 5 plus negative 3? Now, what I've got to think about when I'm doing something like this is how I'm going to understand that problem. Now, I quite like thinking about these in terms of the number line. So I'm going to draw a really wobbly number line. Now 0 is here, so obviously we've got positive numbers, positive integers to the right and negative integers off to the left. Now I'm sitting at 5, so 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. Now when I'm adding negative 3, so I'm standing at 5 and then I'm adding negative 3. Now another way of writing this, 5 plus minus 3, whenever we're adding a negative, it's the same as 5 minus 3, because in any situation where we've got plus minus or minus plus, it is the same as minus. So 5 plus minus 3 is the same as 5 minus 3. Now look, that's an easy one to do because pretty much anyone can figure that out. But if it was a more complicated one, it might still be useful to think about the number line. So 5 minus 3, now negative means I'm moving to the left and I'm moving by 1, 2, 3 steps, and so my answer is 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So I would like you to have a go at one of these. You might like to pause the video while you're working this one out, and then I will flip over to the answer in a moment. So pause the video now. Alright, so you've unpaused hopefully if you're being sensible, and we'll go over to the answer. So 7 plus minus 5, again works out as 7 minus 5, which is 2. So hopefully you see that that's the kind of example that I would like you to do. You don't have to do a video, you can do, you know, a PowerPoint, photo story, anything at all really that demonstrates one of the ideas. I hope that helps, and if you've got any questions, send me an email. And happy Easter and have a good holidays.